Hey everyone, Joffrey here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am excited to share to you my comprehensive review of a product sent to me by TrueFree company. Plus, I have some great news for all of you. I'll be giving away a pair of these amazing TrueFree Auto earbuds to one lucky subscriber. So be sure to stick around until the end of this video to find out how to enter to this holiday campaign. Now, let's dive into the TrueFree Auto TWS earbuds, a revolutionary piece of tech that features an open-ear design, advanced air conduction technology, and exceptional comfort, all while delivering an immersive sound experience like no other. Are these the game-changer earbuds you've been waiting for? Let's find out. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Let's get started. Now let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. The TrueFree Auto comes in sleek and lightweight packaging that perfectly complements its minimalist design philosophy. The box features a clean layout with all the key specifications prominently displayed on the back, giving you a quick overview of what's inside. Upon opening the box, you're greeted with a comprehensive user manual, making it easy to get started. Right next to it is the charging case and the buds itself. In addition, you'll find a Type-A to Type-C charging cable, thoughtfully included for fast and efficient charging, and includes a quick start guide and detailed instructions to help you navigate the earbuds features with ease. Now let's dive into the design of the TrueFree Auto, which effortlessly blends minimalist elegance with a touch of futuristic style. These earbuds are not just about looking good. They're designed with comfort and functionality in mind. The open-ear structure is a standard features crafted to provide ultimate comfort for prolonged use. Unlike traditional in-ear buds, they apply no pressure on your ear canals, allowing you to wear them for hours without discomfort. The charging case is another highlight. Made from eco-friendly scratch-resistant materials, it boasts a sleek and fashionable design that complements your modern lifestyle. When it comes to earbuds themselves, the lightweight construction, just 8 grams per earbud, is impressive. They are crafted with ultra-soft liquid silicone and night-tie alloy memory steel wire ear hooks, ensuring a secure yet gentle fit that adapts to your ears. This makes the TrueFree Auto perfect for on-the-go lifestyle, whether you're working out, commuting, or simply relaxing. With an IPX5 waterproof rating, these earbuds are built to withstand sweat and light rain, making them a great companion for even your most intense workouts. One of my favorite features is how the open-ear design offers a secure fit while keeping you aware of your surroundings, a must for outdoor activities and safety. Whether you're jogging through the park or cycling on busy streets, you can stay tuned into both your music and your environments. The TrueFree Auto truly combines style, comfort, and practicality, setting a new standard for open-ear audio technology. In terms of hardware, the TrueFree Auto leverages advanced air conduction technology to deliver sound. Unlike traditional earbuds that use in-ear drivers, these earbuds transmit sound through vibrations to your ears, bypassing the eardrum. This innovative approach minimizes ear fatigue while preserving crystal clear audio quality. Expect rich mids, crisp high, and a balanced bass that doesn't overpower the mix. The soundscape is both open and detailed, making every song, podcast, or call a delight. Comfort is where the TrueFree Auto truly shines. The open-ear design eliminates any in-ear pressure, and the ergonomic fit ensures they stay securely in place no matter what you're doing. The earbuds are also sweat-resistant, making them perfect for workouts and active lifestyle. So, say goodbye to the discomfort of traditional earbuds. With the TrueFree Auto, long listening sessions are effortless. Now, let's talk about the sound quality, a key highlight of the TrueFree Auto with directional sound transmission and 15mm large dynamic driver. Immersion takes center stage with these earbuds, offering an audio experience that's rich, dynamic, and incredibly lifelike. Whether you're grooving to your favorite playlist, immersed in a gaming sessions, or attending a virtual meeting, the sound quality adapts seamlessly to every situation. The open-ear design strikes an impressive balance between situational awareness and audio clarity, delivering natural yet detailed sound that feels open and expansive. While it slightly sacrifices bass depth due to the design, it compensates with crisp mids and highs, creating a well-rounded listening experience. To put things into perspective, I compared the TrueFree Auto with two flagship earbuds, the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 4 and the AirPods 3rd generation. But surprisingly, the TrueFree Auto holds its own, offering nearly the same level of performance in overall audio quality. The difference lies mainly in the bass response, where the open-ear design limits the punchiness of lower frequencies. If you value clarity and natural listening experience, while staying aware of your surroundings, the TrueFree O2 delivers exceptional value for its price point. Now let's test the call quality of the TrueFree O2 in real time, right here outdoors. These earbuds feature dual mic noise cancelling technology designed to focus on your voice and minimize background noise. Now time for a quick call to see how they perform. Then go to Salman.
Yeah, bro, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loudly too. But how about my voice? Is it clear?
Yeah, your voice is very clear.
Really?
Yeah.
So these only two microphones, bro, left and right.
Oh, nice.
Four microphones. It's good enough, right?
Yeah. Alaikum salam.
Aywa. Shukran.
Alright, as you heard, the TrueFree O2 delivers a crystal clear voice quality even in noisy environments. Whether you're taking calls during a workout or on a busy street, these earbuds keep your conversation professional and sharp. Battery life is another strong suit of the TrueFree O2, with up to 6.5 hours of continuous playtime on a single charge and additional 22 hours provided by the charging case. And to fully charge both case and buds, it takes 1 hour and 15 minutes. These earbuds keep up with your day. Also, it is equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, a multi-point pairing that can connect two devices at the same time for seamless switching. The TrueFree O2 ensures stable and fast connectivity. Pairing is an instant, and the connection remains strong even in busy environments. Now, here is my final thoughts. To sum it up, the TrueFree O2 is more than just a pair of earbuds. It's a leap forward in audio technology, blending open-ear comfort, cutting-edge air conduction, and immersive sound quality into one remarkable package. Whether you're an audiophile, a fitness enthusiast, or someone who simply values comfort and quality, the TrueFree O2 is designed to enhance your life. Speaking of price, these earbuds just cost only $60. So, if you're interested, I will put the link in the description below where you can get it. And also, here are what you're waiting for. Here are the 3 easy ways how you will win this TrueFree O2. It's very simple. Number 1, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Second, share this video to your social media. And the third one is just simply comment "done" and mention which country are you watching at. Alright? That's for today's review of the TrueFree O2. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.